Hello. So I'm gonna do this thing where I just record everything. So I named this form here called short answer thing. We're gonna give it a label, and then we're just gonna give it a random question. So we're gonna start basic by writing what's the largest living animal on Earth. I always expand accordingly. And then you give yourself a little text box. On one side. And then a little button on the other. And then we can name the button like BTN. Accept. We'll name that button accept. Alright. There's simple thing. Hold on, I need to check my notes first. Alright, so basically I double clicked on the accept button and it will pop up this. And so I typed in the variable DIM. I put str answer because the input I was looking for was a string based input. So I put that so I can keep myself organized, and I named it as, and it's a string. So basically, for this, I wrote, with this variable, I wrote str answer is equal to what you put on the text box, which is why I called it txt answer.text. So after I did that, I only did one variable because we're only focusing on one text box here. And so I started the if statement. For since the answer I know for by heart that it's a blue whale, so I literally put if the answer is written in blue whale, then the message, I put message box show. That way when it works, it pops up a message. So if it's like a blue whale, then will write congrats, you are so getting an A in this class. And then also else, the same thing. So for if you put something else, then it'll say try again. So I'm gonna start this application. Alright. So if I put like a dolphin,